Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this Card Making 101 video tutorial, I just wanted to talk a little bit about our Whisper White cardstock and using it in card making. I had someone ask me, what's the best Whisper White cardstock for card making? Well, we have our Whisper White cardstock that is smooth, very smooth. It's still the same 80-pound weight, but it's pressed to give a smoother finish that is perfect for stamping. And then we have our thick Whisper White cardstock that's also good for stamping, but it feels thicker and heavier so that it makes for a good card base when you want that neutral, light neutral card base for your card making. So we also carry the Very Vanilla in the regular and the Very Vanilla in the thick, so that you can choose what you need in order to go with your coordination of your colors depending on what you're looking for in your card. So I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.